Hi pretties, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you few steps of functional workout which I have modified according to my requirements. The biggest advantage of functional workout is that you feel like you are doing some work, but actually you are also burning your calorie. For functional workout, you don't need any equipment. The only thing you need is your water bottle, your workout legging, and a pair of joggers. You can do this workout 3 times a week and also when you get bored of your regular workout routine. Let's begin with front kick with walk. For this movement, you have to tightly hold your fingers of both hands at front of your face and fire the front kick as high as possible. After completing the one round, you will do the same step in reverse side. There will be approximately 10 kicks in each round and you have to complete 3 rounds of front and reverse side. In second exercise, you have to drag some heavy thing. I am dragging a sofa because it is not much heavy. If you drag a heavy thing, you might suffer from back pain. So the weight of dragging object must be bearable. First and second exercise are compound exercise. In both exercise, your core, leg muscles and arms, every muscle is involved. Third exercise is frog jumps. For this exercise, we have to sit and put our all weight on our legs and foot, and I will also put my arms at the back of my head and will move like a frog, and I will do the same at the reverse side. I am warning you girls, you will feel a tremendous burn after doing this workout. Now I had some water and break. Next, I will do some side kick with one leg. For this exercise, you have to firmly hold the frame of door and keep one leg still, and with other leg you will keep firing the kick and then take it backward. If you are doing this with me, keep doing girls, we are nearly at the end. Now I will fire 10 kicks with other side of my leg. And don't forget you have to do it 3 rounds, but you can take 3 breaks in between. You will see the visible difference in your legs if you keep doing this regularly. For last 2 exercise, we will need a cushion. Okay, now I will take one cushion and now I will throw it with full force and also take my legs in squat position and will also jump while throwing it with full energy or force. I will do the 5 consecutive throw with one arm, and then I will do 5 consecutive throw with the other arm, and I will complete my 3 rounds in this way. This is also a kind of compound exercise. All your muscles are working in this exercise. For last functional workout, we will also need cushion. For this exercise, first I have to adjust or make a plank position, and will also have to adjust my elbow on the cushion. Then I will hit my elbow on cushion with full force or energy. Then I will stretch my back and will again do the same exercise. Will again adjust in a plank position and again start hitting my elbow with full energy, because I am doing this for second round. Now let's do some post-workout stretch. Girls, post-workout stretches are very essential because it will help to avoid cramps, and your muscles also get relaxed a little bit after doing these stretches.